Hello, welcome friends to my YouTube channel once again. In this video, I'll be sharing with you how to access your Opay USSD codes for transfers to other banks, buying a recharge card for yourself, buying a recharge card to someone else, like transfer you a card, airtime or data to someone else, or many other USSD services. So on your Opay screen, on your Opay homepage, at the bottom of the page where it says me, click on me to open a page that looks like this. Click on Opay USSD. Click on it and to open a page that says quick payments with Opay USSD. Transfer, and the services you will see there is this. The first one is transfer to bank accounts. If you want to transfer money from your Opay account to other banks using your USSD, like without logging into your Opay account, without using internet connection, this is the code you're going to be using: star 955 star 2 hash star amount, star 955 star 2 star amount star account number hash. Then to transfer money to someone else's Opay account or another Opay account, this is the code. Airtime for yourself, this is the code. Airtime for others, this is the code. Data, this is the code. Electricity bills, this is the code. To check your Opay balance, this is the code. To get OTP or card activation, these are the code. So now you have it. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.